Here's some Bourbon Restoration trivia. Subscribe. What is the period after the English Civil War? Is it A, the Enlightenment, B, the Restoration, C, the French Revolution, or D, the Revolutionary War? The correct answer is B, the Restoration. Who was restored to the throne in 1660? Is it A, Oliver Cromwell, B, James II, C, Richard III, or D, Charles II? The correct answer is D, Charles II. In what year did the English Civil War end? Is it A, 1660, B, 1651, C, 1649, or D, 1645? The correct answer is B, 1651. What was the main religion of the Restoration period? Is it A, Anglicanism, B, Buddhism, C, Quakerism, or D, Catholicism? The correct answer is A, Anglicanism. What document limited royal power in 1689? Is it A, English Civil War, B, Bill of Rights, C, Magna Carta, or D, Petition of Right? The correct answer is B, Bill of Rights. Who led the Royalists during the English Civil War? Is it A, James II, B, Oliver Cromwell, C, King Charles I, or D, Queen Victoria? The correct answer is C, King Charles I. What did the term Cavalier refer to? Is it A, Royalist supporters, B, medieval knights, C, noble horsemen, or D, romantic poets? The correct answer is A, Royalist supporters. Which artistic movement flourished during the Restoration? Is it A, Renaissance, B, Modernism, C, Impressionism, or D, Baroque? The correct answer is D, Baroque. What was the primary form of government prior to the Restoration? Is it A, monarchy, B, republic, C, dictatorship, or D, theocracy? The correct answer is B, republic. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.